Hello everyone, it's Pushkar this side and I'm back with a new and exciting video. And in today's video, we're talking about WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has become a really popular messaging app, the most popular messaging channel. So anyone who wants to message anyone today, they will use WhatsApp. This is true for individual users, this is true for consumers, but even for businesses. So large businesses have years back, they have migrated their support lines to WhatsApp. So for most large businesses, you can find a WhatsApp number where you can post your support requests. But small businesses have still struggled with that transition. So one reason might be the thing it's expensive. So today we are here to demolish that myth and I'm going to show you how you can set up a support line, a dedicated support line or a sales line on a WhatsApp number, integrate that WhatsApp number with AI and support your customers in a fully automated way. And you can do this for less than $100. So that's what we'll do in today's video. So the solution that I'm going to show you, it's actually Fuzen's WhatsApp automation CRM template, which you can use on your sales line or your support line. And essentially what it does, it takes your business WhatsApp number, it connects that WhatsApp number with AI. So if a customer goes to that WhatsApp number and sends a request or asks a question, AI is going to answer that questions. AI is going to answer that customer's query on WhatsApp. It's going to capture all the communication details, all the messages, all the inputs coming from the user, and it's going to update that in your CRM in real time. And all of this will happen for less than $100. So just to recap, you have a WhatsApp number connected with AI, a user goes there, types his message, types his questions, AI answers that, AI takes all the communication history and updates that in your CRM. So let's find out how. So let's start by going to this app template. So we'll go to this link, fuzen.io/apps/WhatsApp automation CRM. I'll put this link in the description of the video so you can find it there. But when you go to this link, you can see this is our WhatsApp template and you can buy this template for just $49. So I was saying less than $100 and actually it's less than $50. So you can buy this for just $49 one time. So this is where you click to buy this template. And once you complete the purchase, you can go to your Fuzen account and under your fuzen.app/purchases link, you'll find this template and you can click on this green button to start using this template. So when you click on this button, this template will install in your Fuzen account as a CRM. So this is the WhatsApp automation CRM app, which is installed in your Fuzen account. And on the CRM dashboard, you can see there is a settings page. So if we go to the WhatsApp settings page, you'll see that to get this app going, you'll need to first connect this app to a couple of third-party services. So the first thing that we'll look at is how to configure this app and how to connect it to WhatsApp and AI. So to connect it with WhatsApp business number, we'll use a third-party service called Twilio. So Twilio is the WhatsApp business API provider that we'll be using. So what you will need to do is set up an account on Twilio. So you can go to twilio.com. You can sign up for using this service. Once you have an account, you can log in. And once you log in and go to the dashboard, you have to sign up for using a WhatsApp business number. So you have to get up WhatsApp business number from Twilio or you have to register your WhatsApp business number with Twilio. So once you log in, you'll see this dashboard. They have very user-friendly documentation where you can connect your WhatsApp number. And then what you need to do is get your account SID. So Twilio has an account SID and Twilio also has an auth token that you can copy from your dashboard and paste in this window. And once you have done that, you also need to copy your WhatsApp number from Twilio and paste it in Fuzen's CRM account. So that will complete your Twilio setup. Once your Twilio is connected with Fuzen's CRM, your WhatsApp is connected with the CRM. But you will also need to connect an AI assistant. And for today's demo, we will be setting up our AI assistant on OpenAI. So OpenAI is the company which is behind ChatGPT. So we'll be using APIs by OpenAI to run our WhatsApp chatbot. So what you need to do is sign up on platform.openai.com. So this is my developer account. or this is my API account where I'm already signed up. Once you go there, you'll need to go to the settings panel, you'll need to go to API keys, and there you'll find an option to create a new secret key. This secret key is your API key, which you can use to connect your OpenAI account with your CRM. So just click on create new secret key, give it a name. You can assign this secret key to a particular project. So this key will be used for assistance within that project. Then you create that key. Once you've created a key, copy it, go back to the CRM, paste it in OpenAI API key field. This is where you paste it. And once that is done, what you will need to do, the last step here, what you need to do is set up an AI assistant. So what I mean by AI assistant is if you're going to use the CRM for lead capture, or if you're going to use it for support, so this is going to be like your support bot AI. So in your OpenAI account, go to the assistants tab where you can create a new AI assistant. You can give it a name. You can give it some instructions. So right now for demo purposes, I've kept it very simple. I'm just saying analyze the message and reply accordingly and keep the responses within 100 characters because I don't want to use up a lot of credits. So I'm going to curtail the response. But what you can essentially say is you can give it in the system instructions. You can tell this AI assistant about your business, what kind of business you're running, what kind of questions to expect from the users, and for those expected questions, how the AI should answer it. So you have to give a summary of your business, what products you're offering, what services you're offering, how your customers can seek support, how they can buy your products, how they can buy your services, what are the USPs. All those things can go into these system instructions. What you can also do is within these AI assistants, you can also upload files. So if you have documents like brochures, if you have product details, you can upload all of those documents in this assistant. So this AI will learn from the information that you've uploaded and the information that you've put in the system instruction. So once you've done that, once you've set up your AI assistant, you just copy the assistant ID, go back to the CRM, and you paste that assistant ID over here. Now this will complete the integration with AI. So what you have done, step one, we integrated your CRM with a Twilio account with a WhatsApp business number. Second step, we connected this same CRM with an AI assistant. So now the same CRM is going to bridge the WhatsApp business number with an AI assistant. So all the questions that are going to be asked on a WhatsApp number are going to be answered by that AI assistant. So we'll try that. So this is the WhatsApp number that we set up with Twilio. This is the WhatsApp number which is connected to our CRM. So let's try to go to that WhatsApp number and let's try conversing this with this AI. So when I say hi, it'll take maybe a couple of seconds and then we'll hear from AI. So this is the response that we're getting from AI. So this is AI generated response. And for demo purpose, I'm just asking very basic, very simple questions because we have not trained that assistant with any specific information. So that AI is also giving me very generic answers. But you can imagine if your customer comes to this WhatsApp number, if he asks about some product information, if you've uploaded your product brochure, AI should be able to answer that. If you have uploaded your services details, AI can give maybe even quotations. Maybe it can give some ballpark prices for availing those services, for availing those products. So that's all the things that you can do with this AI-based WhatsApp automation. So I'm just giving you a glimpse over here of how things work, but this way you will get a very clear idea of how this WhatsApp CRM functions. So once you've seen the chat, what I also want to show you is this chat is getting captured in real time. This chat is getting captured in the CRM. So if you go back to the CRM, this is where all the information is getting captured. So this is basically the lead details page. So whenever a user comes to your WhatsApp number and starts conversing with that WhatsApp number, we're going to capture their number and name as lead details. So their WhatsApp phone number and their name will be captured as lead details, and the conversation that they had with our AI chatbot will also be captured within the CRM. So your sales agent can look at how many people are approaching the WhatsApp number or how many people are approaching the support line. What are the questions that they are asking? What are the answers given by AI? And mainly, what is their product requirement? So if someone comes to this WhatsApp number inquiring about certain products, and if you can see that based on the answers given by AI, if they've shown any interest. So for example, if the user here says, oh, that's great. So clearly they're showing some interest. In that case, your sales agent can pick up the phone and call this number. And that time he'll be already speaking to a warmed up lead, and that lead warm up is done by AI through your WhatsApp number. So that's a very, very basic use case. If you want to further customize this app, you can easily do it with Fuzen's AI. If you want to add any more workflows, any more integration. So let's say you want to send an AI generated proposal to this customer, or you want to guide them to make a payment on your e-commerce store. All those kinds of integrations and customizations are easily possible. You can just go to edit with AI and you can ask AI to add those features. It will do that. If you want to see that, you can just drop a comment below. I can cover that in the next video. But for this video, to keep things within the timeline, this is what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you, if you're running a small business and if you want to put your business in front of your customers through WhatsApp, this is the easiest way to do it. So if you want to get started with this app, go to the link that's provided in the description. Buy this template. If you need any help in installation, if you need any help in setup and customization, you just let us know and we'll be happy to help you. So that's what I wanted to cover in today's video. I hope you liked it. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.